Ketheka mutegerio Weru TV na nguchokire nkatho cie mwanya no ntuboko na kanya gakega kwatana batweke ndeto cietu cie Weru tha mwanja unimbetawa wini wa King'ero tukiambiriria twambire na riboti kuma kaunti-ini Embu na ranto bana batumiritwe kuwatikana na murimo wa Mpox bagi kirwa ki quarantine antere chia kianja komana bangi na bo kwithira bagi kwa chibitarine ya Embu level 5 amona bo minister wa gima wa mwire kaunti-ini ya Embu na rianite na ngutu ira cionekete kwithira chietamba ati kwina mibango ya waka quarantine centers kaunti-ini iu.
Surveillance we are leading in the country, and we were able to identify even the first cases zile zilikuweko Kenya mzima. Mpaka sasa tuko na kesi 1140, lakini Embu zile confirmed cases sasa zimefika 4 na tunaendelea kuzitibu, na hakuna katika zile kesi 4 hakuna mtu ambaye tunasema ati maisha yake iko hatarini. Ile kitu tunataka kuambia watu wajikinge, to avoid the contact. Let's go back to hand sanitization, mtu aoshe mikono, reduce contact. Sababu ya nini tuli set up isolation centers, kuna contact. Sababu ya nini tuli set up isolation centers, kuna wale wako Kianja Koma, kuna wale wako Embu level 5 na wanaendelea kupata matibabu. Fever, ukipata fever, joto, ukiona mwili inapata ndonda, hizo ndio symptoms za nini za Mpox, na symptoms zinaweza kuja hata kama ya chickenpox, lakini kuna tofauti ya ile vidonda ama upele ya Mpox ni kubwa kushinda ile ya chickenpox. Kama waziri wa jimbo la Embu, sijakuwa kwa mazungumzo yoyote kuhusiana na Ebola katika jimbo la Embu, na ningependa wananchi wetu waweze kutofautisha kutokana na propaganda potovu na ile information ambayo ni ukweli. As a department, we have remained very open and very transparent. Anytime kama kuna issue ama kuna agenda ambayo inahusiana na watu wetu Embu, huwa tunaileta mbele na tunajadiliana. So mpaka saa hii hakuna discussion yoyote imeletwa, lakini prepare for eventuality is a game changer.
Tugitana mbere ni ati na bo kariba kumantere chia kamanya ki botariria mathina yara bethirite be kulukira yegie barabara kuthukanga nteri wa Kibwarwe na kinya ogukuyirwa kwa wa Kibwatonya Tongwe bakiari bethirite betariria ati ibethirite be kulukira kaitaga kaumo wetithia na mbere ngendo chia ntuko ntuko nonto barabara ititira ikaburu na rakinya chiba lazimika kwithira bakithinika kwamukira utungata boki mabo mwiri nonto batiomba kwithira bekinya chibitarine ni barabara kuonekana ithukangi.
Kariba kamanya kina ntura iria ikwirite ni bagutariria gutigirwa nyuma ki mauntu mauthi na mbere aria bakuga njira jia guntu kuu ni jathukangire itigenderekaga
barabara kawaida no atame githara gona ya kathore kimbere nkathi utuikana yani kaba barabara yewe smooth mbe uriuga no thiete naro thiete na ntiko meiko thiete thingania barabara raminera twerirwa ariruto twera kuma materi kamaradi muromburuga bando taekirwa taino turene rumaramu
waumira maronda guko maronda ma muntu ana matemetu mangora wana matiomerika barabara tiathukire njira tene kuthi marimanti utemukanga na bikibike tiomeria kuthi na nkari tithi
nkinya wagiwa wira ni thina ingire kunyamaria mbeo mbithi baguntu guku bakiuga bathomire indi batana gwata mawira
no ndo mbere tio twi bathomu turi agana 13 para baomba kuromba gwira lakini tukaromba bao tuthite kuromba bamunya bao bara bathomia mtu na rita thirikari ni atichoka thirikari ni kairi na no gukuthuchua ni unde thoma ntuika ubunkuria kuthirikari tu tafadhali nto chubiri
bariuga batwire akue na muru athagana ende batona mutongoria wa kubakujiria rujiruru bari magana ruta guntu kungi
kira gwekira taige kinyere mwananchi wonthe oro gukenda tia kwena ndi guku na makabenji maku utweneria na amari mitwe na gumite na morombete akaba tigani na imenti abo bane barikire ruyi chona gintu gyaku chona kiogwa icho kia Mutharaka kiumete Thagana
na Thagana tutire matoboga tokona tukire muchuka na chogorie na ara no ntuna twari Mathagana ngwige turira ukithi na ara ugitega ukenja marinya maku kiwa nyamu ino ni thongere rimani inyanga ikuthuke wakwa ukiyiru kinda viriezi ukaruthata ikunyekeri orekania na mundo yo Thagana ni nugo gairitwe
bari uria atongoria bao batongoretwe ni munini wa rais Kithure Kindiki gavana wao Muthomi Njuki na mubungu wao Gitonga Murugara gutigira ni bakuthi kubairira maendeleo guntu kuu kenda baomba gukura ta guntu kungi
bamurugana na banjoke gokuba orere kwa iwa batiko iwa koji ba orere wano wana deputy president twinwege no tiento au tutethie na kiana kwanja deputy president tutiko mukuthuka mtura mwenerete na rionga kongi goko kwa Tharaka kewa kure ciamana no ntunwa guku na yoro tuyo Tharaka ityo tukamugithia rwa mbere turinge wanta na ye goko tumuonage kwa igo kwa turimira barabara na yoro na gusenta na kwa ora kinire atethia antu maraizi mama akoroka iko yumo mekerera migikuyu gikuyu kiega thaino na baembu bega goko gwetu kwa deputy president gontu koma na antu batijigwe Thaganere antu baekiro roye bakarimaga wetu gokwana utire magento ukarima nakyo tie roye rwa Thagana tu tiomba kujoreta muji
kiripotera Wero TV kuma Tharaka Mbita Makena Uambabo
Kathochie mwanya muno kiwe Makena Mbabu tugiete na mbere ni ati ngwataniro ya elimu Youth Coalition okulokira atongeria boba tongeretwe ni mubangania woba kiaria bentere chia Mombasa ibatumirete makarika ya skuru kwithira ikingwa na inya makarika ya skuru kwithira ike watu monki ya mpanga ya kimbioro batere kwithira ichwirwa ntaira na ruamune bokendo tiira rwangirwa kithomo rute kwithira rukiangaratanwa kana kwithira rukiwa
Take for example a learner that
we want to see signs of commitment. One of the signs of commitment is the delivery of timely capitation and in good time to schools. And I am sure, even as the competent authorities look at the issues at play, one of them will have to do with education financing, because one of the challenges that we do have in our institutions revolves around education financing through capitation. It is the untimely provision of capitation in the correct quantity as one of the factors that is contributing to this particular crisis. When principals have nightmare in terms of the management of institutions, then all matters can actually go wrong.
Shule za bweni ndio matumaini pekee ya watoto wetu kupata elimu, haswa katika maeneo na magatuzi kame. Kwa mfano, Turkana, Mandera, Tana River, Marsabit, Isiolo na kadhalika. Sasa ikiwa hizi shule za bweni zitafungwa, watoto wetu ambayo haya ndio matumaini pekee ya kupata elimu itakuwa namna gani? Kwa hivyo tumeona kwamba pia wizara yetu ya elimu inapeleka wale wa kutoa ushauri na saha ni walimu ambao wamesomea mambo ya kidini. Mbona tusipeleke watu waliosomea mambo ya ushauri na saha, yani guidance and counseling, wawe ni professionals wa katika kitengo hicho?
Hata wazazi wa nchi hii ya Kenya katika hivi vikao wapate nafasi kutoa maoni yao toshelevu kuhusiana na mchango wao wa ni nini kifanywe. Tunasisitiza pia wanafunzi wapatiwe nafasi katika mazungumzo haya hivi sasa, wajieleze wanafikiria ni nini kifanywe ili elimu yao iweze kuboreshwa.
Tugitana mbere ni ati rais wa Nthioru ya Kenya Ndagitari William Ruto na kinyete gikiomono kiorumwe na rais wa Nthioru ya Finland Nthioru Neu na rais akiarionekete kwithira kinyelia riboti yegie murimo yo Ebola akieta ati murimo yoyo taithira yue kuyirwe karika kinyarimwe Nthioru ya Kenya.
On the subject of pandemic in general, we have
build a coalition of many countries, because when you talk about a pandemic, you're not talking about a situation that respects boundaries. The Ebola case in DRC is a source of concern for Kenya, as it is a source of concern for all people globally, in our region and globally. And as a responsible nation, we took the very early steps of making sure that we organize ourselves, we prepare ourselves to take head-on whatever situations that would come our way with respect to this pandemic. We have set up along our borders, especially borders that have people who cross from DRC. And just for context, we have thousands of Kenyans in Eastern DRC. We have soldiers in Eastern DRC, and it is natural that for us as a nation, we need to prepare ourselves. So we have set up 23 isolation units, places where we can deal with this challenge. We have tested close to 100,000 people who have come into Kenya, and by God's grace, none of those people have tested positive. In fact, the World Health Organization has reviewed the numbers that were initially put out from 1,000 cases. That has now been reviewed as late as yesterday to 500 cases. The number of deaths have also been reviewed downwards from about 250 in June, in early June, to now 100 cases. So much as the pandemic is not as serious as it was originally envisaged, it still remains a source of concern for us as a region and for Kenya in particular. And having a huge diplomatic footprint, with the UN office in Nairobi being the only UN office in the global south, and being a diplomatic hub and a regional hub, we have had to raise our standards higher to make sure that we protect all our citizens and also protect all the UN staff and all our friends. That is the requirement of the Constitution of Kenya, and we have taken steps to make sure that our citizens understand this, our friends also understand this, and we have made it possible for friends to come in and support. We have support from different countries. We have support from the United States to manage this situation. They have also offered to set up, of the 23 isolation units, the United States have offered to set up one of them. And we are working together to make sure that we manage this situation. And as I said, for avoidance of doubt, there is no reported case of any Ebola in Kenya so far. As part of a regional approach, the Africa Union is convening a meeting, a virtual meeting, later next week, to be able to rally our support and coordinate response to the Ebola question.
Kathochi mwanya no tuba kwithira witite ambere na kurumira ndeto chietu geta kuraya tuchokirete nyuma ya kaita gate kuraya.
Kama invite yangu haikufika on time, but I'm glad to be here anyway.
She was my rival, my competitor. We need to shut this business down.
Hii biashara ndo kila kitu kwenye hii familia. Nikufe ama nisikufe.
Kama mbaya, mbaya. wewe ni mnoma sana.
One truth can break everything.
Sit tight.
Over the years, we have demonstrated that graduations are climax celebration of a rigorous academic journey. Several years, we have wafted skills through our classroom, laboratories, hostels, sports, and of course fun at campus.
We welcome all our graduates, parents, guardians, our visitors, and all the stakeholders.
Going down at Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences, main campus Thika.
We are turning up the heat on Star Times. Unravel the thriller mystery of the evil eye returns on Star Life. Fall for the irresistible charm of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim on Novella E+. Get absorbed in the emotional twist of My Wonderful Life on Novella E. Step into the all-new season of Hello Mr. Right, Kenya's most exciting dating reality show on Rembo Plus. Renew your subscription today, starting from just 329 Kenya shillings for Nyota Bouquet on the aerial decoder or 549 Kenya shillings for Nova Bouquet on the dish decoder. Download the StarTimes app to stay connected anytime, anywhere. StarTimes. Enjoy digital life.
Mutamani yoka yothire otweta kembeche tena baita tiambi no oteko chenjia
botwaja gairo bitego tutethia neke
hai tokorega
ng'ombe ciakwa itiraragire ngoko ciakwa itekorekia
ngurachagona guchenga iguchenga
aremi ituigetwa matata jenu na ikio tuboretere mutaaramu irio bia ndethia
aha mugeni aremi betu nukumenya mtoto umagaruka augane nyina kyo wize kuruga but with a nice choice mkombozi fins ituigetwe kirero kienu na nikyo tweza kubonokia irio bietu bidithetwo na teknolojia ya kinande na itogotigera bire na quality na standard.
Nice Choice Fits ni irio bia ndethia kumba kamboni ya Nice Mwea. Twena irio bia ndethia cionthe tabio Dairy Mill, Maize Jam, Soy Wina, Pig Finisher, Chick Mash, Layers Mash, Kienyeji Mash na binge bibinge. Irio bietu bithondeki na oteabo kinande na standard ya iguru nikenda gutigira ndethia ciaku ciena riri na ugima bobogo wa mwire nikenda ugocha murimi wona umithio na baita kuma kire ndethia ciaku. Irio bietu bire Agrovet karandukene cia kwendia irio bia ndethia irere ya kwinagwe no ntutwe county ne cia Meru, Tharaka Nithi, Embu, Nyeri, Laikipia, Kiambu, Nakuru na Nyandarua. Nice Choice Animal Feeds, siri yaku gwe murimi. Poshmark Meru College ni kwa kanya aritobonde barabara ikiti form 4 kuigwatira umenyo bwangu gechia ubundi na utea. Turi na courses mwanya ta beauty and hair dressing, computer packages, foreign languages ya French na German, cake baking na pastry, barista na mixology, fashion and design na inge nyinge. Ujokane bwetete na mbere eja wigwatire course ye kukureo. Turiongere Ntege Plaza ngoroba ya Idhato town ya Mutindwa. Kumenya manto nkorokito ringere thimu namba 0754 244 kana 0700 819 685. Poshmark Meru College. Skills in marketable courses.
Uri Meru kana guntu kuria kuriganiritie na nugucwa baisikiri ya XUK ya magurija kunganira mubuko jwaku na nkuruki ya gutura ukanoga kairi kamuto XUK Bikes and Spares Shop turi aja nuntu bwaku turi na size chonde cha baisikiri cha XUK kiri ana na antobanene nkuruki turi na spares chonde irene ya mwena tairi breki matanka mudguard bearing rims ite tubes spokes na binge kadhumba na nkuruki tukuthithia repair na magurija nthiguru turiongere ndukene yetu Nkundi Plaza Mugaru na KCB Bank Meru kana uturingire thimugu kurukira 0727 719 556 buindene bugwati ugeni kujukia baisikiri ya wendi bwaku.
Looking to turn your passion into a powerful career? Join Kiremi Media School and gain hands-on skills in photography, videography, drone piloting, live streaming, entrepreneurship, brand building, and marketing. Whether you're starting out or upgrading your skills, Kiremi Media School gives you a real-world experience plus a free industrial attachment to kickstart your journey in the media industry. We are conveniently located in Meru Makutano, Rakingu Apartment, first floor. To enroll, call or WhatsApp us on 0706 148 525. Follow Kiremi Media School on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for updates and student showcases. Kiremi Media School. Learn, create, earn.
Football fans, the world stops from the 11th of June to the 19th of July 2026. Watch all 104 FIFA World Cup football matches live on Azam TV. Get your Azam TV decoder today for 1,000 shillings for a decoder only or 2,500 shillings for a decoder and a dish, and enjoy unmissable football action from the comfort of your home. Visit any Azam TV authorized dealers countrywide today or call us on 0709 844 000. Azam TV, the official broadcast partner of the FIFA World Cup 2026.
Matarajo tano kire murimi oreterine Joymax Animal Feeds. Murimi menyera monoro igua ngombe chiaku. Tigira ni kunyoroje bwega ichikona chumbe kungana na kubangania irora kubatere. Murimi tigira akami na gikamiro kwa ngombe chiaku igie kitheru. Nkuruki ngombe ni batere gukamwa ura kubatere madhajareza batere. Murimi tigira ngombe chiaku ichigukarankana tene ntheru ichikumama Antonia theru na nkongoro ni ntheru ukagondokera kanoringa ngombe chiaku. Rira ngombe kwewa njau tigira njau ni kunywa kithana madhajeri jambere nyuma yayo chiarwa menyera meari bwega na kaire murimi tigira ngombe chiaku ni gutungaturana ndagitari uri no menyo na kinyani kwewa nchacha mukagitakara kabatere. Joymax Animal Feeds kuma kwa Joy Millers Limited, chaguo la mifugo.
Broiler ya wiki 5 iko tayari kwenda soko. Huyo timu ndogo sana. Ni wadogo wamepewa lishe bora. Nimekuwa na mlaumu kijana wangu nikifikiria ati labda anauza chakula. Umesema ati inaitwaje chakula? Ni Joymax Animal Feed. Ndio. Joymax Animal Feed. Surudia ndo ni sawa. Joymax Animal Feed.
Ngakwa togeni orengi na katho cia mwanya no ntuba kwithira witite mbere na kurumira ndeto cietu ceweru tha mwanja twicokera. Wakili Mukaria Muriungi na wete bariaretwe ni mbura majaji bathatu barethire bagite ya mbara kwebelwetine kwa urawari munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua akiwa kotini iretikiriria kioto kuthikirwa ni seneti kiunirwendu balikithia kwebelwa etene kwawe nongilete kithurano bia mwaka ya 2027 gutamenyekana kethirano arwirete akiuria nende koti nene kwethira ikirita mwerekera giega tiba ibo kenda bakethira bakeria baiwerune. Mwandiki wetu Andeto Mutugikare no wina riboti.
Nyuma ya igambara kweberwa obisine kura wa RDP Rigathi Gachagua kugitwa ntukwe mwe kurukite njanji bathatu bagitikanire na mbunge ati Gachagua neberwa obisine ora kwagirite kinya kethira ni baragambire ati watho ni bunirwo bakura kumwakanya kake gakagwitetera na bauga mbunge ya seneti mure chiringi milioni 50 na ndiakiareria untobo wakiri Muriungi na ugite bibono kabo barigaretie akiuga Gachagua arabatiko akioto kya wantu ne akorwa mungana jwa mbesa akiona ni akorega kunganirwa kwawe ni ugambi bo
so na ndere kwa mwambecha na then akogendere kwa impeached na process ira kile ta thingatire sheria lebati then kwina gintu kingi kire court chetu tukuona ja wa courts the independent na executive. On the face of it, utegerete judgment you. Ni kuona na clearly it's not a normal judgment.
Kuruki wakiri Muriungi na ugite kuri na wirigiro bwa koti ya biro. Kwa Gachagua kioto kuringano gambi bravo raditro ni manjanji bau bathatu.
Kila process ira ule thingatita thingatita sheria yabati kwa quashed. Eka ito buru watu ka impeachment ire iriko na so Gachagua ne tete court of appeal to do that appeal na ngwete ya na very high likelihood ya court gwete Canadian we nonto alinde court ye ira muthikirite nonete ati rights chawe chaunerwe
Mudiene wa Kirimo Riongi na ugite monkira thaiji guti kumenyekana bwa kethira Gachagua mba kwithira rinde bene kithurano kya mwaka jwa 2027 na akiuga ni untunte tweje ni kwingichania koti nene Brunei yabati kweja na mwerekerane jode kundira mutongeria beru obisine na njira teu ya Gachagua.
Supreme Court ya jana advisory opinion is very clear nonto itona nya Chief Justice akiuga impeach tumba kurungama na ngekwena high court judges bakuga muntu no warungame, so that controversy ne bati kwa settled na bati kwa settled at Supreme Court through an advisory opinion.
Ke report rande to shawero rea kwa rieto ne motuge kare
Kathochi mwanya muno kiwe mutugi kare na kiwe mutegeri kona kanya gakwatana batu kiendeto chietu cheweru tha mwanja onimbeto wa wini wa King'ero noende akaitene kambi thirengio tiana mubango UMYS ibokenda ukethira witarirwa ya maingio yokonia na kwithira hogi kwa werune.